Hey, what's up, YouTube? So normally I do tech videos, but I've been getting into stocks lately. There's one thing I do want to let you guys know. I'm not a financial advisor. You gotta make sure you do your due diligence on stocks and do whatever works best for you. So with that being said, um, recently I've been learning about options, buying options. I'm fairly new to it. I'm a beginner, uh, but I just wanted to show you guys why and how I bought a option. Um, so essentially, you can log into your Robinhood account. You want to search up the company. In my case, I bought this in the morning. You look up the company, click on Trade Skills options. You want to do select buy call and your expiration date. I chose a May 21st. Whenever you're doing a buy call, you're essentially betting on the stock price going up. So you would choose your strike price, um, and this will be the price of the contract. Keep in mind each contract is 100 shares. So essentially, when I bought this one, I bought it early in the morning. It was 150. Now, because it's worth 160, I'm up $10 on it. Uh, and also, you do want to pay attention to your Greeks, uh, delta, gamma, theta, vega. Uh, and like I said, the contract is 100 shares, so you would multiply those by 100 depending if the strike price goes up or down. And then, for example, let's say it's 1855 right now, it goes up to 1955. That means it increased by a dollar, so your delta will get multiplied by $100. So you've made $34. Um, and that works the same for delta only because theta's time. So each day that goes by, then you're losing essentially $2. Um, that's why you see theta is negative. Vega that with implied about volatility. If it goes up by one, then you've made $2. And then those are the typical ones or the main ones I pay attention to. If you don't want to go ahead and like worry about the Greeks, like adding, subtracting, and all that. Another good site is this option calculator or options profit calculator. So you can do, like I said, long call because you're betting on the price going up. So go to the skills, you do get price, you select the option. I chose May 21, strike price, and also you got to keep in mind, I believe this is delayed. It's not real time, so you also got to keep that in mind. So you just do calculate, and this will tell you how much you can make if the price goes up. For example, if the price would have gone up to 25 today, then I could have made $314. So this way, with this calculator, like I said, you don't have to worry about the Greeks. You don't have to do the math. So it's a nice tool to use. So yeah, so going back to Robinhood, so you essentially just select this. I mean, you hit the plus sign, you hit continue here, and then you select. I mean, you type one, um, and then here's your bid ask. Uh, so depending, what do you type in for the bid ask, your contract can be assigned right away, uh, or not. For example, let's say what people are asking for this is it's $1.65. So if you choose $1.65, there's a good chance this contract will get assigned right away. If you go more on the downside, like one $1.55. Then it could take a while for it to get signed. Earlier, I believe the bid ask was at $1.50 with one with the ask being I mean the bid at $1.50 and the ask $1.55. So I went like all down $1.50. I believe it took like 30 minutes to get assigned. So you got to keep that also in mind. So essentially, you just do this review order. So in this case, I'm not able to like execute it because I don't have the funds. So you just, like I said, execute it. Um, Depending of where you are with the bid ask, once it gets assigned, um, it's gonna show up here under options, um, and then and, and it's just gonna show like this, like it's gonna have under options and whatever options you have. Uh, Essentially, the reason why I chose that strike price and that date, um, I went to Scale's website, um, and paid attention to this outlook. So Scale says it's gonna surpass the expectations for the revenue. So that was a plus for me. And then in comparison to last quarter, I believe their revenue will also increase. So that was another plus for me. And I did see here that the company was gonna announce the results on May 24. And that's the reason why I chose May 21st. Um, so I'm hoping they release positive results, which kind of seems like it. Um, and that's why I chose the date and that strike price. Like I said, this whole past month it has been great for a lot of my stocks. I'm pretty sure for everyone also. Um, but yeah, I guess we can get to that into another video. But yeah, that's essentially how you buy a call option. I'm gonna keep making more videos about stocks. Also, so remember to subscribe and like the video. All right, thanks.